ever wonder why your Real Geeks leads aren't actually clicking on their save searches? Spoiler alert, it's not them, it's you. Well, technically, it's your defaults. So I'm Dustin over here at Mantle Realty, and let's talk about how to get some people to click on some save searches. So here's what's actually probably happening. Your leads are coming in your system and they're setting up a generic search, something like 3 bedrooms in a 5 mile radius. And it doesn't help anybody out because they get 150 different listings that don't fit what they're looking for. So they don't click on any of them. And worse off, they unsubscribe from your emails. So here's an opportunity to use a script that I teach my agents. Hey, just saw that you signed up on our website and wanted to set up a saved search for you to help you save time and energy. Could you tell me what you love about your house right now and what you would change? Notice I never mentioned price. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to call, text, email, everything that we can do to get a hold of them and ask what are the really important things to them in this property. Use those who, what, where, when, why, and how questions. And then you want to edit their search form and tell them straight up, say, hey, I'm going in here and I'm going to do a more detailed search for you than what you can on the front side of our website. Whether you want a swimming pool, a fenced in yard, or a certain price point, I can set up those searches where you can't, and we can save you time and energy. So, what we need to do right now is set up one of those searches. So, I'm going to jump on and do one for myself real quick. All right, so here you can see I'm in my own account right here. I'm going to log in as a user and I'm going to go in here and save a super save search. This way, it saves them time and energy. A big tip that I have whenever you're doing this is use the polygon. Why, you might ask? Well, because agents are lazy. So if you're looking for a certain neighborhood, they might not put it in there, or a certain school district, they're definitely not. So I'm going to go into the area that I sort of live in. And yes, I live in a very rural area, probably as you can tell from my accent. So I'm going to click right here and I got my dots. So I'm going to draw here. And this is the area that I'm thinking about living in. So if you're going to come stalk me, I'm in this area. All right. So I've started right there. And now they're going to tell me some other things that you notice that you can't search for on the regular Real Geek site, whether it's a swimming pool. So, yes, I want to have a swimming pool. Or if it's features that are in the property. I never ever put elementary schools, high schools, middle schools because they're not going to show up for every property that you have. So after I do this, then they're going to tell me that it's going to need to be at least 2,000 square feet and that I need 4 bedrooms. Now I'm going to do it by newest listing because I don't want to go by price because then I look like I'm not a very good person and just searching for the money. So now I have 14 of them. So now I have a save super search and then I can come in here and tell them what I want off of here and edit whenever I feel like it based off of these kinds of things. So this is how we're going to start with all this save super search for them and save them time and energy. Because what if their price point's not the same? If you haven't noticed, whenever you use your actual Real Geeks account, I've got mine down to 50 because we're in a lower market level. But look, we're jumping up by $50,000 per property value right here. Where let's just say somebody is got a mortgage a pre-approval for 375. Which one are they going to put down? 400 or 350? It makes it really hard for them to be able to do that search off of it. So that's the reason why to use a super save search. It's going to take you a little bit longer to do, but it's going to make you look like a pro. And remember, you're saving them time and energy whenever you save the super save search. Thanks for watching. Dustin over here, Mantle.